you should not worry so much about glucose spikes. When you consume a meal that has carbohydrate energy in it, right? Your body's going to convert the carbohydrates into glucose. And eventually that glucose is going to enter into your blood sugar is going to raise, your pancreas, beta cells are going to secrete insulin to try to get that blood sugar down. That is normal. That is normal human biology, right? That's the way it's supposed to happen. Now, yes, some foods are going to spike your glucose higher than others. That's not the problem, because you have some foods that are higher glycemic, some foods that are lower glycemic. But the problem and the issue, and what you should really be paying attention to, is how long your blood glucose stays elevated, or how long it takes to come back down to baseline. And so when you look at these apps, so you'll see my actual reading, my actual chart. So you can see what the spike, and then you'll see it curve and drop and then remain baseline. But that's what you want to look at. You want to look at that trend. If you see this up, or then it's up and it's slow to come back down, there's a few things that can contribute to that. And this is why it's so important. I mentioned in my last episode why constant eating and snacking is a problem, because the more you snack and eat, you never allow your insulin to clear out the glucose that's in the blood. So then you spike the insulin more to try to get rid of the incoming glucose, and it hasn't even cleared the glucose from the last time you consumed the meal. So now you got excess glucose floating around, excess insulin floating around. So if you're metabolically flexible and your cells are responding as they should, you'll see when you eat, your blood sugar is going to go up. It's going to come back down. And then overnight, when you're fasting, your blood sugar should stay stable until you get ready to eat again. You'll see a spike. It'll go down. It'll spike back up. That is normal.